Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck. I'll give out your situation first, then I'll be picking a few cards from the angel guidance deck, guys. So we will get clarity of action regarding the situation, guys, how we should be to overcome the situation. So let's start the reading, Virgos. Temperance, Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. Virgos, with these cards, I feel you're very emotional today. Some kind of you're feeling some kind of irritation, something bothering you really today. It may be due to the actions of your person, uh, something like something they are doing today is irritating you, or what to say, um, maybe that may be just for your safety, okay, or you may be doing things to safeguard your relationship, or literally the safety uh, of their safety, or the safety of your home, or something, some action, but they are getting very irritated because of that. Okay, that may be the energy here. uh, but this relationship has a good, what to say, you are very much attached, has a, you feel protected in this relationship, and you feel safe in this relationship, and that is also the energy here. But something is irritating you guys. um, Maybe this is your energy, or this may be your person's energy. Let's see what's coming with the other cards. It will give us better clarity of your situation. Virgos, with these cards, I feel maybe this irritation is due to lack of commitment, maybe on the part of your person. You may feel they are not committed to this relationship. They are not dedicated enough, and they do not, what to say, um, plan anything for this relationship. Okay, they are not working mostly. So something, it is making you irritated, that is the energy here. But you are going to overcome the situation. This is a very positive card. So all the problems and, what to say, the challenges you're facing right now are coming to an end. So you're finding the missing piece, missing link in your issues, and you're getting the answers today, guys. That is the energy here. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with to do to overcome this problem today. Okay, there's an angel card. Virgos, with these cards, I feel it is time for you to let go of the negative energy you are having towards your person or towards the situation, and move on to the positive side and forgive them. So that way you will be able to heal yourself and heal this relationship. and you need to be what to say courageous enough to do that, to understand your person and be the person whom everyone can rely on. Be strong enough so your person can rely on you, trust you. So you have to let go all the negativities associated with it, guys. So that is the energy here, and everything changes in this universe. So yesterday was different, today will be different, and tomorrow will be a totally different day, guys. So you have to understand, so everything changes for the better. So when you do that, you're always open to receive everything new. So when you have that perception that everything changes, you will accept the difference in the behavior of your person, and you will get a clarity regarding the situation, guys. And that way you will be able to find the solution in the situation, Virgos. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Virgos. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.